Alright guys, quick video on cable management. So I got my nice Klipsch surround sound speakers. I got them all up here. Okay, it's beautiful. But over here you can see all these cables just dangling there. So I went and got this cable management clips on Amazon. They give me about 6 of them. You can get them in white or black. But since my trim's already light right here, so I wanted the lighter ones. And the cables just slide in there and you get some double-sided tape for the back. But let me go and show you how much nicer that looks when you install these. Alright, now you can see I installed them right there. And so you do see a little bit of the cables here, but when you go down here you don't see that ugly cables running down my trim anymore. That's a whole lot better, and it's fairly cheap to do. You can get them on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description down below. If you got any cables that are hanging out like that that need to be covered up, this is a good option. They give you a lot of double-sided tape as well with it. Just this alone could cost you $5 to $10 for this double-sided tape.